Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am back on my simple soap kit making kick. This one is going to be Cedarwood essential oil, and I'm going to use the dark chocolate mica from BeScented as well as the sage powder. The sage powder adds some nice speckles and a little bit of contrast to what would just ordinarily be a simple soap. So not much exciting going on. You guys know how to make soap. Here I am adding in the sage powder. Just kind of eyeball it, stick blend it in. Excuse me. And then I'm going to get the soap ready and pour it into the mold. I'll be back for the cut. Thanks so much for watching. Alright, and as promised, super simple soap, nothing fancy, not going to texture the top. And you can see the speckles from the sage powder. And I didn't use that much dark chocolate mica. I wanted some color, but I didn't want it really a deep dark chocolate. So you can always adjust by how much you add. And every bar is going to pretty much look the same. And there you have it, Cedarwood essential oil soap. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you on the next video.